So my name's Scott Way. I'm in charge of development at HubSE. So HubSE develops and sells software to manage claims in the maritime transport industry. So these are claims that occur between a ship owner and the person who rents that ship, called a charterer. When the ship completes its voyage, you add up the hours that have occurred at both the load and the discharge port, and if they exceed the limit in the contract, then the charterer has to pay the owner for his lost time, effectively. That's called a demurrage claim, and our system calculates that value and manages the life cycle of that claim, because these claims can be negotiated up or down, and they can last a long time, and on the books at any one time a large company can have tens of thousands of these claims that are open. We started development about 8 or 9 years ago. We wanted to develop in C# and XAML. At that time, the only option for you was to use Silverlight, because we want to deliver over the web. A few years back, Microsoft announced that they were going to end support for Silverlight in 2021. So we need to remove the Silverlight portion of our application and replace it with something else. So we've got a large code base written in C# and XAML. If we replace both, we're looking at around about 5,000 man days of work. If we go with something like Uno, which lets us keep all our C# and XAML, we can reduce that figure down to maybe 500 days. So there's a huge saving in it for us in terms of time. The other advantage of Uno is that not only can we keep most of our code base, but we end up with a development platform that continues to allow us to develop quickly. Another exciting thing about Uno is the ability to run net standard code in the browser. So we have net standard 2 code, particularly around our entities in the server. But with Uno, we can run that code exactly as is in the browser, and it's like a no cost benefit. So as a development company, what we need and what we hope to find are partners which we can trust to deliver, not just now, but into the future, an excellent product. Having met the team at Uno, you can very quickly see that there's some very smart people here, and that level of ability is what gives us the confidence that we've made the correct decision. So I'd recommend Uno to anybody, obviously with a Silverlight code base. For them, it's almost a no-brainer, but also anybody who's got a desktop application that's written in C# and XAML, Uno is going to be a perfect platform to deliver your software on the web.